I feel better now. I feel better now. They got me too, Mom. They got me too. The toad.
Good morning. This is cause number 2019-35834 in the interest of Deja Battle.
Yes.
All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Right hand, ma'am. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Okay.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Nicole George, and I'm the mother.
All right, representing the state.
Leader Sharma for the state, Your Honor.
All right, court will note that Dejuan Battle is the non-custodial parent. He was personally served on September 17th, 2021 at 9:54 a.m. at 2350 at Tascasita Road, Lynchner in Humble, Harris County, Texas. He has not made an appearance or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I would like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the prior agreed child support review order that established a parent-child relationship. This document, Judge, was signed on May 28th of 2019.
All right.
Thank you, Judge, and I would like to call Nicole George, the mother.
Okay.
Ms. George, did you have an opportunity to review a financial record of the history of payments for Mr. Battle?
Yes.
Judge, I would like to ask the court to take notice of the financial report labeled as States Exhibit 1.
I'll take notice of it. What do you want me to do with it?
Oh, sorry, Judge. Admitted into evidence. Sorry, Judge. Thank you. And Ms. George,
What are you asking me to do with it?
To admit it into the record, Judge, into evidence.
All right. Ms. George, have you had an opportunity to look at this pay record?
Yes.
And you have any objections to me admitting it into evidence?
No.
All right. States Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. And Ms. George, in that prior order that was signed in 2019, it set child support at 0 beginning June 1, 2019. Is that correct?
Yes.
And it set medical support. Let me go back here. I'm sorry. It set medical support at $57 a month beginning June 1 as well, correct?
Correct.
And since that time, and reviewing the financial report, you would agree that Mr. Battle is in arrears of $382.40 from that prior order?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to set a payout toward this medical arrears in the amount of $52 a month beginning September 1?
Yes.
Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Is he incarcerated? Is he incarcerated, ma'am?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore. Okay. And so okay, I'm trying to find it.
When he signed it, that's when he got released after he signed the order.
I understand, ma'am. Hold on a second. Where is the judgment? Child support, medical support judgment, $325.40. Is that what you said, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
Ms. George, how do you know that Mr. Battle is no longer incarcerated?
Well, he came and visited her for Christmas and on her birthday at my mom's house.
And when was her birthday?
It's January the 1st.
Okay, so he saw her in January. Has he seen her since her birthday in January?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And do you know where Mr. Battle is currently employed?
No, I don't have none of that information.
And do you know if he has any other children that he's required to pay support to?
No, he don't have any other
Do you
children.
do you know if he has any children that live with him?
No, this is only child.
And do you have any communication with Mr. Battle?
No,
Do you have communication with his mother?
it's his mother.
Okay. And has she confirmed that he's no longer incarcerated to you?
Yes,
And you don't know where he works, is that true?
correct. I don't know where he works.
And you understand the court is going to modify the prior order and set child support and medical support based on minimum wage?
Yes,
And are you asking the court to set current support at $57 a month beginning September 1?
Cash
Correct.
medical support, not current support.
Cash medical support, sorry.
correct.
And are you asking the court to set a payout on the arrears of $52 a month beginning September 1 for medical support?
Correct.
And are you asking the court to set current child support in the amount of $217 a month beginning September 1?
Correct.
And are you asking that court costs are billed to Mr. Battle?
Correct.
And does Mr. Battle know where you live?
No.
If he knows where you live, will that cause you or the child any harm, harassment, or undue or serious bodily injury?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because he liked to fight and hit, and my landlord before had to call the police several times.
Okay. And are you asking the court to keep your address confidential in this court order?
Yes.
And have you reviewed and signed this order today?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted.